Okay, oh my God. I don't know if you can even see it. Oh, look, there's a car coming down the road. Yeah, a car. Okay, so we cleared. Is it? Might be. Yeah.
Please.
Look. It's all been shoveled. But our trash can there, can you see? I don't know if you can even see it. There is at least 2 inches on that trash can. Okay, so we have 2 inches plus the 2 feet we had just a few days ago. And it is snowing like crazy. Let's see if I can get you to see it. Let's see. There we go. Look. Oh, look. See? Look at that snow. Oh, God.
Peace out, home dogs.
I have no idea what you just said. But anyway, yeah. So, help. Bye.